Now we'll move on to autoimmunity. Very interesting concept. Autoimmunity, self-immunity. Now, autoimmunity, we know the function of immune system in our body. Immune system in our body, what exactly they do? Whenever a foreign particle enters into our body system, foreign particle, and we call it as antigen, maybe any protein or maybe toxic substance or maybe any kind of pathogen like bacteria, virus, when they attack, okay, even we spoke of transplantation. During transplantation surgery, the organ of another person when transplanted in our body, all these are foreign objects, and our body has special ability to identify which is self cell and which is non-self cell, other cell. And when they identify antigen, you know, there the response started, they produce antibody and they try to destroy this antigen or they try to neutralize the effect of antigen. This is actually the concept of immune system and why we need immune system. But sometimes the things go reverse. What do you mean by things go reverse? Sometimes our immune system, our body cells start attacking our own cell. Though it is not foreign cell, it starts attacking our own cell. And that concept is called as autoimmunity. Now you may ask, what is the reason? Actually, the reason is unknown. Lots of research is going on in this field. The research is unknown. Okay, why our body fails to identify which is self cell and which is foreign cell. Okay, it starts attacking our self cells. Sometimes it is genetic reason also. And it troubles us in the form of some disease. A well-known disease we call rheumatoid arthritis. This is rheumatoid arthritis is best example autoimmunity, that is joint pain. It is best example and it is because of autoimmunity. That is our body cells, our immune system starts attacking our own cell. And this is the concept of autoimmunity. Thank you.